Hi there, it's Kevin from Pinnacle Eco Clean. A lot of times you get asked by our clients exactly how does this system work that you come to our house with to clean the carpet. So perhaps you've never seen this done before. So we'd just like to give you a tour of one of our new systems that we just purchased. We have other identical systems to this. This one just happens to be new. So this is called the Butler system. Very nice time-tested machine, kind of state-of-the-art system that we use. First, I'd like to show you how is it powered. What happens is the van engine is running, and from the engine compartment, if Andrew pulls up in there, he can see this shaft, which is a drive shaft that powers the equipment for the system. Now, if he pans back out and takes a look at the control panel, we pop the hood on that, and he can look at the interior of that. You can see this one machine with a lot of the brass fittings. That's the solution pump. It's called a cat pump that uses pressurized water. So that will pressurize the water that we clean with. Behind it, you can barely make out a little gray box. That is the vacuum blower that provides the vacuum system to recover the used water. You can't really see it, but behind that is a box that's the heat exchanger, and it uses the coolant system of the van to heat the water to about 205 plus degrees Fahrenheit. So it's a very nice system. Also, we have a chemical injector. This is a small amount of cleaning solution that can automatically be injected in the water if we choose to inject the solution into the water. Many times we just use plain water as a rinse for our carpet cleaning. Then we can move on to the rest of the system. This is our clean water tank. We carry about 110 gallons of water on the job, so usually in most residential settings we have more than enough water to clean with. A common misconception is, are you going to reuse the water? Perhaps use the dirty water, filter it, and reuse it on my carpet? No, that's not the case, because the wastewater gets vacuumed out to this holding tank here for disposal. That's also about 110 gallons in size. In addition, we have our hoses that are set up that we run into the home or office. This is the Freshwater Hose to produce the rinse water, as well as the vacuum hose that we use to recover the wastewater that's being used. So it's a very neat, clean process. We have our standard tool for carpet cleaning is a wand. Basically, we have jets here that shoot the water, inject the water into the carpet, along with our glided wand. Of course, the holes there to recover the used water after it's been accomplished its purpose. And we can take just a moment. I can show you better around the back of the van to show you the interior further of the system. So you have our hose reel, wastewater tank, freshwater tank, and then lots of shelving and storage for all the tools and equipment we have to use. We can use the same system to clean carpeting. We can modify the amount of pressure we use and use it for upholstery cleaning. We can also increase the pressure just a little bit and also use it for tile and grout cleaning. So check out the rest of our website when you get a chance at rochestercarpetcare.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.